Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. Myself Bipin Kumar. So in this video I will be showing you like how we can purchase EC2 Reserve Instance. So when we are using Reserve Instance, then we can save our cost up to 75%. So how we can purchase EC2 Reserve Instance for a specific time period, okay. So the time period is 1 year and 3 year. You cannot purchase reserve instance for 3 months, 4 months, or anything like that. You have to purchase for 1 year or 3 year. So these are the steps I have jotted down how we can create and purchase EC2 reserve instance. So in simple word, like what is reserve instance will do. So think of it like telling Amazon, you are telling Amazon we are committing to use your compute for X amount per hour for 1 or 3 year in turn, okay, under a plan that you are continuing to use resources as per discounted pricing. So till you exhausted the X amount in an hour. If you are used more than X amount, you are charged on demand rate. So what it means here, like you are committing like I am going to use this amount of data for this certain period of time with this rate, okay. And if you are going beyond that, whatever you have committed, then the pricing model will be changed. So that if the pricing model will be changed, then you are going to charged on basis of on demand rate, okay. So let me jump to the AWS console and show you how we can purchase EC2 reserve instance. So I am here in EC2 console. You have to just search in like EC2 and click on it. So and here we can see reserve instance option. Here we have to click on purchase reserve instance. So this pop-up will come up, okay. We have to enable it only, so offering that reserve capacity, so we have to enable it. So platform I will be choosing as default Linux, and availability zone I will be selecting like US is to 1A, and tendency default I will leave it, and instance type T3 micro. So and term 1 month to 12 month, and payment option no upfront, okay. Then offering class convertible. So what is offering class here? So when we are like committing to purchase reserve instance and we are using offering class as convertible, then we can like change our EC2 instance type whenever we want. But whenever like we are selecting offering class as a standard, then after purchasing reserve instance we cannot change our instance, okay. Like from T2 to T2 micro dot to T3 micro we cannot go whenever we are purchasing reserve instance as offering class with a standard, okay. But in case of convertible we can change. So just click on search. So we are getting here AWS 12 month effective rate 0.008 and upfront cost 0, hourly rate, and we are getting availability zone, payment option no upfront, offering class convertible, quantity required you can change how many quantity you want, and you can add to cart, okay. So here you can see all the average what will be the cost, monthly cost for this EC2 instance you can see here, and you can just go to view cart and you can select here and you can order from here. So yeah, In this way you can create and purchase EC2 Reserved Instance, and you can save cost up to 75%. So that's it for this video. I hope you found my video informative. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you are interested to how to create AWS free tier account, then you can refer my previous video. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, then put them in the comment section. Thanks. Have a nice day.